Hi, I'm Jim with Landscape Pros. I'm going over some simple irrigation tips to help you diagnose and or repair your irrigation system. Our company, Landscape Pros, offers full service irrigation installation and maintenance. So if you can't diagnose your system and you need help, please feel free to call our office at 239-464-4714. So what we have here is a standard valve. A lot of times if your valve is stuck or it's not turning on, make sure that you check your wiring connections. Make sure that these connections are in grease-filled wire caps and that there's no rust and or exposed wires. That'll make sure that your timer effectively communicates with your valves. You also have a pressure screw. Make sure that that screw moves freely so that your water can start to flow to get out to your irrigation and service your lawn. You also have a solenoid. This is the electronic component that gets the signal from your timer. Sometimes these corrode and fail and they'll need some replacement. So simply shut your water off and unscrew this and go to your local irrigation supply store or give us a call and we can come out and repair this irrigation solenoid for you. For the most part, that's some of the basic hands-on do-it-yourself repairs. Other than that, we can pull out the internal pieces and repair them as necessary.